Hi, welcome to the DIY Photo Organising Podcast, focusing on topics to help you with your photo management. I'm Chantal from Photos in Order.
And I'm Fiona from Photo Helper. Hey, Chantal.
Hi, Fiona. How are you?
I'm good. It's exciting. It's our last episode for 2021. Oh, we've made it.
We've made it. Where did that year go?
Oh, my goodness me. Oh, happy new year, pre-new year. Or
yes, you too.
Yeah, so we would just love to reach out to our beautiful listeners. This episode is really just a bit of a sort of a wrap-up of the year, let you know what we've got coming in the new year. So nothing new to learn photo-wise, but we thought we'd just reach out and connect with you and let you know what our plans were for over the holidays. So we are going to be taking a little bit of a break, and we hope that you do too. But we're not going very far. We're just going to be spending some time with our families over the new year. Have you got plans, Chantal?
Yes, actually we do. 2 days from now, we're going to go on a bit of a trip for 2 weeks. So that's very exciting.
Oh, how
hopefully, lovely. These days you can plan a lot. Whether that's going to then become a reality is another question. We got sort of used to having plans scrapped at the last minute.
I know.
Change and whatever, but I believe it when I'm there.
Yeah, but, true.
We're optimistic. We look really forward to exploring Tasmania.
How wonderful.
Yeah.
So nice.
We had to promise the kids that it's not going to be a hiking holiday because Tasmania is famous for hikes.
Yes.
So with 2 teenage boys in tow, that's not going to happen. We had to think of a few things that are a bit cooler than hiking. I'll tell you all about it when we're back.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, my beautiful husband's taking some time off work and we'll be spending some time with family. It'll be lovely, but not going anywhere, not traveling this time, but we have some trips planned next year. So that'll be nice. Yeah, hopefully we'll get over to see family and grandkids over in the US. So that's our plan. We'd love to.
Yeah.
But nothing planned, just some well-needed time off. So it'll be lovely. Yeah.
Very nice. So, as you said, lovely listeners out there, we're going to have a bit of a break so we can do all those things. But, we'll be back and we've got some new guests lined up for you with good topics that are coming your way. And we've got a few other things planned for you next year. So it will be a really busy year. And look, in the meantime, we really want to invite you and encourage you to sign up to our newsletter or to subscribe to our podcast really through our newsletter so that we can keep in touch and you'll always be the first to know if we've got something new and exciting coming your way. So just hop over to our website. We've got a link in the show note as always. And you can find a subscription and sign up button there and go on our list.
Yeah. And the other thing we'll do is we're going to send through, we'll have a Google form that we thought it'd be lovely next year, even though we've got some great things planned and some wonderful guests lined up ready to give us lots of new bits and pieces and information. Our industry is always changing, Chantal, isn't it?
It is. Very fast.
Being in such a creative little space in photos and a techie space with so many different software and phones and models, and so we're going to be sprucing up some old techie episodes and bringing some new things, but we also would love to hear if there's a bit of a wish list that you might have on some things that you would like us to focus some attention on either software, if there's any burning questions you've got, but really just some ideas that we would like to hear from you. So we've got a little Google form that we will send through. There'll be a link in the show notes and also on some of our social media channels. So you'll see that. If you'd like to give us some suggestions, we are definitely open to that and would love to answer some of those burning questions. Software, techie, how do I do things? I've got this model phone, I can't do this, whatever it is. There's always a specialist out there that either we can find or we can get the answer and cover it in an episode.
Absolutely. And it also, reassures us that we're talking about things that you are actually interested in. Yeah. We don't want to lose you. We want to keep you and answer those questions.
Yeah. And it's interesting because even though technology changes, as far as software and computer models and phone models and things like that, when you think about it, you've always got an outdated something. So our old camera prints or our old VHS and our old things, they're now outdated. They're never going to become more outdated. They're just outdated. So some things like how to deal with things, they're the same. They don't change as far as, our old printed photos are still always going to be our old printed photos.
Yeah.
But how we deal with them sometimes can change if there's new ways or new updates on scanning equipment or cameras or things like that to digitize those. Some of those are updated, but the technical process of really organizing and printing, printed material, some of those are tried and true techniques that they just don't change, which is great. So, it's really those techie ones that we know would be beneficial to update and bring you some new advanced tips on things like that. So lots to keep you educated on, which is good.
Yeah. Talking of education,
yes,
we also invite you to go over again to our website and to check out the course page. Again, there's a link in the show notes, so that will bring you directly to all the different courses that we offer in partnership with other photo organizers. If you have listened to us for a while, you will probably have heard that episode where we invited those organizers to the podcast and we interviewed them and they talked about the courses, and we're very proud to be partners of them because we don't want to reinvent the wheel. They've done an excellent job. These courses, we can really, from the bottom of our hearts, we have done those courses, we know what's in them, we really align with them. They represent our values and what we teach our clients as well. So please, you might have some spare time during the holidays. That might be an idea. Check out the courses. And some courses, you can do them within an hour. Others go a bit longer. So check them out. There might be something in there for you.
Absolutely. It might be time for a little gift for yourself as well.
Yeah, there you go.
Or a suggestion to someone to give you that as a gift.
Yeah.
Oh dear. So just wrapping up for this episode, thank you so much for joining us in this year. We've really enjoyed the feedback and spending time together, and we welcome a bit of a break, and we'll be back in the new year with some fresh new information. So stay tuned with some new upcoming fresh new episodes. So thanks again for joining us. I am Fiona from Photo Helper.
And I am Chantal from Photos in Order. And we've got Panda in the background. So
I know. You know what I was just about to say? Isn't it appropriate that my little pooch has decided to look? This is his farewell. He's joined us through episodes over the year. He's saying Happy New Year, everyone. So yes, that's him. So bye-bye from Pounder too.
Thanks again for tuning in, and a Happy New Year to everyone.
Thank you. Bye for now.
Bye.